test her out, shall we? Totally unprepared. All right, you think a turkey will fit in there? Okay, got bucket, knife. So before I do this, I'd like to take a second and tell you that this isn't being done for no reason. They were both bought last spring, and the intention was to butcher in November. We raised them from chicks with the sole intention just to simply butcher them because that's what they're for. As they grew a little bit older, I realized I had a male and female pair, so I wanted to see if she'd lay eggs, which she has done. We have them in the incubator now, and well, his job's over. And I could let him hang around a little longer, but I don't like mean animals on my farm. So if I can't let my kids be around them and feel safe and not have to worry about where it's at, it's not for us. So it's his time. We don't like to waste what we have, so he will be eaten. Yeah, it's farm. That's what we do. I do not plan to pluck this. It's a whole one bird, and I'm not boiling water for it. So I'm just gonna pull the legs out of the skin and all. Because honestly, there's not much to him. I wasn't like feeding him a crap ton of high protein anything or nothing crazy like that. I know people are gonna watch this and be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're not saving the skin. Well, here's the thing. I don't like the skin. I don't like the skin on chicken. And I'm sure not gonna like it on a turkey. It's just gross to me. Probably because I've raised them so many times and I know how gross the skin is. Like, that stuff's covered in poop. And usually lice. And whatever else was on the barnyard floor. It's just yucky. And if you're eating store-bought chicken, ugh, I don't even want to talk about it. What else we got here? Let's try this guy. Okay, so there's a nice thigh. Perfect. And there's a nasty foot. Man, look at all these feathers. Who butchered these? Alright, that looks pretty good. Oh, good. Feathers everywhere. Alright, so this is one turkey. Definitely not a big turkey, but we'll still eat him.